If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipe.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tani's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you another amazing recipe, and this recipe, it can be eaten as a breakfast, as dessert, or even as a snack if you want it any time of the day. And it's going to be super delicious, very flavorful. I know many people out there, once I start showing the recipe, you're going to be like, oh my god, this is not going to be good. I don't like chia seeds and all that stuff. But trust me, if you make it this way, you're going to love it, your family's going to love it, your kids are going to love it. So let me just start with the ingredients. They're very simple. Everyone has it all the time at their house. So let's just show the ingredients. So to start with the ingredient, because this is a chia seed pudding, we'll be needing chia seeds, and this is the one that I'm using, organic chia seed. You can get whatever one you find it at your store. So we'll be needing chia seed, we'll be needing milk and vanilla essence over here, cinnamon powder, and unsweetened cacao powder. You'll be needing some honey. This is a mix of fruits, which is strawberry, raspberry, blueberry, and yeah, that's it. And pineapple, some over here, and some banana. And you'll be needing 2 cups to make this pudding. So this is all you need, and let's start making now. Let's get started with the recipe. First thing first, we'll be adding milk to our 2 glasses here, and I'm making 2 different flavors. That is why I have all these ingredients and 2 glasses. So, and one more thing before I start, you can find the recipe in the link below. There in the description box below, there will be a link, and you can go to my link. It will take you, click the link, it will take you to my website, and you can go and enjoy all the amazing recipes. Over here I'm adding milk, and I'm doing the exact amount of milk in both the glasses. And then to this I'm going to be adding chia seed. So let's go ahead, add chia seed. This is a very simple and a very not taking your time kind of dish, very less time taking kind of dish. All you need to do is just prep these things and keep it in the fridge, and it will be ready. Okay, so to this. So this is going to be the vanilla one, and this is the chocolate one. So just separate it, and I'm going to be adding a cinnamon powder over here to the vanilla, and I'm going to be adding vanilla essence. And to the chocolate one, I'm going to be adding unsweetened cacao powder and honey to both the flavors. You can even add sugar or maple syrup or agave, but I chose honey today. It'll still give the sweetness and it'll still taste amazing. Now all you need to do is just take a fork and mix it really good so that everything is mixed properly, all the flavors infuse. For me, I feel that this is a very good way of eating healthy also, and it's also like a treat or dessert kind of thing after your meal. So just mix this like this, make sure everything is incorporated properly, and do the same with the chocolate one. At first, the chocolate one, it may look like it's not mixing, but just go ahead, keep doing it, it'll mix properly. It's looking perfect to me. You can see it's all mixed nicely. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to keep them in the fridge for 24 hours, and the chia pudding will be ready, and I will show it to you then. Okay. So now that I'm back, it's not 24 hours, let me just tell you what I did. So yesterday afternoon, I made the vanilla and chocolate exactly the same way I made it, showed you just now. And I kept it in the fridge so that it will be ready by the time I shoot the video and I can show it to you guys. So the one that I made right now is in the fridge and I can eat it tomorrow. So there's no harm in extra chia pudding always in your fridge. It's just delicious. So there's just no harm. Anyways, so let's continue the recipe and let me show you how I serve it, how it came out and everything. So I have these 2 glasses here. These are the glasses that I'll be serving my chia pudding in. And I have all the fruits ready. So let's go ahead, assemble it and taste it and see how it is. So this is how the chia pudding looks. You can see it is all thick and so nicely done. So what I'm going to do, this is how you want to serve it. Well, this is how I like to serve it. You can do however you want, but let's start doing the serving part. So you want to take some of the chia pudding, put it here in the glass. This is the vanilla flavor. So you can add any kind of fruits that you like that goes with vanilla, but these are fruits that I like and it definitely goes with vanilla. So what I'm going to do is add some pineapples here halfway through. And some strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, blueberry. I think I'm going to keep the strawberry to top it in the end. And then you want to pour the rest of the chia pudding. Oh my god, this is going to be delicious. Wow. Anyways, and now finally top it again with some pineapple here. And rest of the fruits. You can see how beautiful it's already looking. Wow. And this beauty, this baby is done. This is vanilla flavor. And now we're going to go ahead and do the chocolate flavor. So, another bowl. Mix the chocolate chia properly. You can see, oh my god, this looks beautiful. Go ahead, add some at the bottom. So, and then I'm going to take the banana and place it here in the corner, like standing upright, like so, just to give it a different look. And when you see it from outside, you can see the bananas. That's all I wanted. And then again, go ahead and add the chia pudding. Oops, did I drop some? So banana always goes with chocolate flavor no matter what. Just pour everything in here. That looks good to me. And then finally some more banana. And trust me guys, this is the best way to eat chia pudding. And my god, this looks delicious. I'm just gonna wipe it clean and show it to you, and we'll do the taste testing then. Okay guys, so this is done. I am super excited to try it. Oh my god, you have no idea. It actually smells very good because I'm getting a very strong vanilla smell from this and a very strong chocolatey smell from this. But anyways, so let's go ahead and dig in and try this delicious pudding. So I'm gonna first try the vanilla one. Oh my god. This is so good, and the kick of cinnamon is like literally the best. Oh my god, this is so good. And now let's try the chocolate one. You can see a good bite of chocolate and banana and everything. I mean, I don't have any words. It is so good. I like both vanilla and chocolate flavor. That's why I love both of them. They are tasting just delicious. If you're vanilla flavor, go for this. If you're a chocolate flavor, go for this. If you like both the flavors like me, go for both of them. And do let me know in the comments below how do you like it. And that's it for today, guys. This is a very simple recipe I wanted to show you guys so that you guys can incorporate some delicious healthy desserts or breakfast in your daily lifestyle. And that's it. I'm just gonna see you guys in my next recipe. So till then, bye bye.